Good morning, class. Good morning. Welcome to e-learning again. I am your English teacher Madhulika Dwivedi. Class, as we have started chapter number 16, preposition. Yesterday I explained what is preposition. As prepositions are the word which we use to connect or show the relation of noun or pronoun with other word in the sentence. So there are different use of preposition in different way. Means class, suppose on, we use on when something is on the thing. Means as the pen is on the book, the pen is on the book. Okay. And in, as I am in the classroom. We use in for cities and at for small places, as I am in Allahabad. Allahabad is a city. I am in India, but if I am in Jhalwa, I am at Jhalwa, because Jhalwa is a small place, not a city or not a country. Into, we, when something is in the thing, means कोई किसी बर्तन पे, किसी थिंग पे अगर कोई चीज उसके अंदर है तो स्टिल, तो इट इज वी यूज इन. बट इफ द थिंग इज रनिंग, मीन्स आई एम गोइंग into the classroom, means I am coming from outside and going into the classroom. Then when the thing is, when there is any movement, so we use into. So and on, we use on for a small thing and in for big thing, as in April, in May, in July. And class, at is used for time, at 8 p.m. or at 9 p.m. like this. So class, we have to start exercises today. So we will do only exercise number first today. Okay? Then rest of 2 exercise we will complete tomorrow. So watch the video carefully, class. Exercise number first. Exercise number first, filling the blanks with appropriate preposition. The first word is, the lady belong to Africa. When we talk about any belonging from any person, so we use to, means Africa, India or any other country. So as I belong from Allahabad, I belong to Allahabad. The lady belonged to Africa. The apple fell from the tree. When something coming from down from top, so we use from. And we also use from when we are coming from some place, as I am coming from Noida and going to Allahabad. And please look at the corner. When there is look, so after look we use at. Please look at the book. The like this. Okay? The hunter killed the lion with a sword. When we do something with the help of any equipment or anything, so we use with. I will be back within 10 minutes. When we are talking about time, means I will do this work in within this time, within 10 minutes, within 1 hour, so we use with plus in. He took 100 rupees from me and ran away. From means when we take something to anybody, to be use from. जब हम कोई सामान किसी से लेते हैं तो we use from. ठीक है क्लास? तो this exercise you have to fill in your book only, class. ठीक है? And then rest exercise we will do tomorrow.